My God, look at the. I got y'all got to see this, man. This is unreal.
And you can put that on YouTube too.
Oh my God, look at that. Oh, you are. Look at that, y'all. God forgive her and her body parts.
Those two twins.
You got the nerve to have a normal sized damn head. Hey, y'all ain't seen nothing yet. Hold on. Woo! Look at that.
Look at her feet.
Oh, she ain't got none, man. That's how her feet look. Where he fuck? You need. Hey, it's too late anyway. That's how her fucking feet look.
And she act like she never ate.
Y'all don't eat that shit. Oh, I got to share this shit. She's not eating that. That's only because they on TV, man. The mistake was the last damn. Wow. 5. No, you're less than human now. Look at this, y'all. Oh. 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 Look at them heels on her feet. You should have did that shit when your ass was able to walk and your fucking thigh